Hello and welcome to the video. This mixed media tutorial shows you how to make a 1/12 scale miniature display of a working volcano using brown floral tape, plastic stir straw, cardstock, cellophane, baking soda, vinegar, red and yellow food coloring. We'll be using a small brown stir stick. To use the brown floral tape, gently stretch it so it activates its sticking ability. Cut a 3/4 inch or 19.05 millimeter piece from the stir straw. Seal one end of the straw by placing a piece of tape on the base and wrapping around the sides. Continue wrapping tape to form a cone shape with a 3/4 inch base. The materials are listed below in the description box. Click the gray V on the right side of the title below this video. After making your volcano with a base approximately 3/4 inch, clip a small V on one side of the top to channel your mini lava flow. Next, let's make the cardstock holder for your volcano. By cutting a square 1.5 by 1.5 inch from the cardstock and drawing a 1/8 inch border around the edges. Make 4 1/8 cuts on two opposite sides of the square. See red marks in the video. Score pencil borders with the stylus. Fold inward, tucking small tabs, and then glue. Press tabs, and then clamp corners to dry. Add a 1 inch by 1 inch piece of cellophane. Fill a small bottle dropper with a 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir a mixture of 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and a few drops of red and yellow food colors. Loosely place lava mixture into the top of the volcano straw. You're ready to create a lava flow, or you can set your scene with display extra accessories shown toward the end of this video. Add a few drops of vinegar to the top of the volcano, starting the lava flow. I hope you enjoy this video and are inspired to make a mini working volcano experiment display. Here are the display extra accessories used in this volcano video. The award rosette ribbon and food coloring set are shown in my other videos. Thank you for watching.